It's a comet, now named 3I Atlas, and it's only the third object ever confirmed to have come from interstellar space.
In July 2025, astronomers in Chile spotted something strange, a faint icy object racing through space at incredible speed. At first glance, it looked like just another comet, but its orbit told a different story. This wasn't from our solar system. It came from somewhere else. Named 3I Atlas, it's only the third confirmed interstellar object ever discovered, a visitor born around another star, traveling for millions of years before briefly passing through our cosmic neighborhood. And on October 30th, 2025, it will make its closest pass to the Sun, a moment scientists have been waiting for. As it nears that fiery point, 3I Atlas is already waking up, venting gas, shedding ice, and glowing brighter, behaving like a living relic from another world. Telescopes across Earth and spacecraft orbiting Mars, the Moon, and beyond are watching every second of its journey, trying to learn what it's made of, where it came from, and what it can teach us about other solar systems far beyond our own. Because once it swings past the Sun, 3I Atlas will be gone forever, drifting back into the cold, endless dark between the stars. A brief visitor, a cosmic messenger, and a glimpse into the history of worlds we'll never see. Chapter 1. The Discovery. It began quietly on July 1st, 2025, at an observatory high in the mountains of Chile. The Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, was scanning the night sky, part of a global network designed to detect objects that could pose a threat to Earth. But this time, what it found wasn't a threat. It was a mystery. Moving slowly against the background stars was a faint point of light. Dim, distant, but unusual. Over the next few nights, astronomers tracked it carefully, measuring its orbit, speed, and brightness. And what they found defied expectation. The object wasn't looping around the Sun like a normal comet or asteroid. Its path was hyperbolic, meaning it wasn't bound by our Sun's gravity. It had come from deep interstellar space, and it was just passing through. They named it 3I Atlas, making it the third confirmed interstellar object ever discovered, after Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas immediately stood apart from both. Unlike Oumuamua, which appeared as a dry, tumbling rock, or Borisov, which looked like a typical comet, 3I Atlas seemed to blur the line between both, icy yet oddly stable, behaving in ways that scientists couldn't immediately explain. Its speed was astonishing, nearly 60 kilometers per second, fast enough to travel from Earth to the Moon in less than 2 hours. That velocity confirmed it wasn't native to our solar system. It was an interstellar visitor, likely formed billions of years ago around another star, ejected by gravitational forces, and wandering ever since through the vast emptiness between suns. And that gave astronomers a rare, fleeting chance to study it before it vanished forever. As 3I Atlas approached, telescopes across the world locked on, from ground-based observatories to space telescopes like Hubble, JWST, and even the Japanese Subaru telescope in Hawaii. All eyes were on this icy traveler. Early observations revealed that the comet was active, already venting gas and dust at extreme distances, much farther from the Sun than ordinary comets usually wake up. This suggested something incredible, that 3I Atlas was rich in volatile ices, possibly carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, substances that vaporize in the cold vacuum of space. These ices, if confirmed, could be billions of years old, untouched remnants from a planetary system long gone. And this is what makes 3I Atlas so valuable. It's not just an object, it's a time capsule carrying the chemical fingerprints of another star's formation. Studying it means looking directly into another solar system's past, frozen in motion and delivered to us by chance. But with opportunity comes limitation. The comet is faint, distant, and moving fast. Astronomers have only months until October 30th, when it passes closest to the Sun, to capture every photon of light, every hint of data, before it fades forever into the dark. In the next part, we'll explore what scientists have already uncovered about this alien comet, what it's made of, how it behaves, and what it might reveal about the origins of worlds beyond our own. The deeper scientists looked into 3I Atlas, the stranger it became. Unlike most comets that form within our solar system, this one was born around another star. Its composition, motion, and even its behavior carried clues about a completely different kind of planetary system, one that may have formed billions of years before ours. As 3I Atlas moved closer to the Sun, it began to glow, not with fire, but with chemistry. Data collected by the James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope showed early signs of outgassing, a process where heat from the Sun causes frozen materials inside a comet to vaporize. But here's the strange part. This was happening much farther from the Sun than expected, at a distance where normal comets would still be completely frozen. That means 3I Atlas isn't made of the same type of ice we see in local comets. It's far more volatile. Scientists suspect it contains compounds like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide ice, which can sublimate even in the cold outer reaches of space. These chemicals are the fingerprints of extreme environments, the kind that form far from a star, deep in the frozen outskirts of a planetary system. And there's more. Observations from NASA and JAXA's telescopes revealed that 3I Atlas isn't just a small fragment. Early estimates suggest it could be up to several kilometers wide, making it much larger and potentially more ancient than the previous interstellar objects. Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov. It's likely been traveling through interstellar space for tens or even hundreds of millions of years, carrying the unaltered chemistry of its home system. Every molecule inside this comet is a record, a frozen message from a time before our Sun was born. Studying it could help scientists understand not just how planets form elsewhere, but how our own solar system came to be. Right now, 3I Atlas is racing toward its moment of truth. On October 30th, 2025, it will reach perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, about 1.4 times farther than Earth's distance. At that point, the comet will heat up dramatically, releasing more gas and dust, and growing brighter for a short time. But it's not expected to be visible to the naked eye. Instead, the best view will come from the spacecraft already watching. NASA's solar orbiter, the Parker Solar Probe, and even Mars orbiters will all have front-row seats to this rare event. For a few days, these instruments will collect precious data before the comet continues its escape back into deep space. And once it's gone, it'll never return. Its hyperbolic path will carry it out of the solar system forever, back into the interstellar void from which it came. But before that happens, scientists hope to unlock something profound, evidence that connects us, for the first time, to the chemistry of another star. In the next part, we'll explore what 3I Atlas could reveal about the origins of planetary systems like ours, and why studying it might help us understand how life itself began. What makes 3I Atlas so extraordinary isn't just that it's from another star system. It's that it might be carrying the same ingredients that made life possible here. Inside every comet, whether from our solar system or beyond, are the raw materials of creation: water, carbon compounds, and organic molecules that form the chemical foundation of biology. If 3I Atlas contains those same building blocks, it means the chemistry of life isn't limited to our corner of the galaxy. It's universal. When astronomers analyze the light reflected from 3I Atlas, they notice something remarkable. The spectral patterns hinted at carbon-rich materials, similar to those found in the comets that orbit our own Sun. That means the star system this object came from, wherever it is, followed the same cosmic recipe. It built planets, ice, and organics just like ours. That's what makes interstellar visitors like this so valuable. They are natural messengers, traveling between the stars, carrying clues about how planets form and evolve in distant systems. Each one is a frozen archive, an untouched sample of another world's beginnings. And every time we find one, it gives us a new piece of the puzzle. But 3I Atlas is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a glimpse into the grand exchange happening across the galaxy. Comets like this could be spreading organic molecules, and maybe even microbial seeds from one solar system to another. It's the idea known as panspermia, that life might not just arise in isolation, but spread through cosmic collisions, impacts, and fragments like 3I Atlas drifting between stars. If that's true, then this comet isn't just a visitor, it's a carrier, a fragment of one world, whispering the story of another. The most haunting part is that we'll never know exactly where it came from. Its path traces back toward the constellation Sagittarius, but beyond that, the trail goes cold. Somewhere out there, perhaps hundreds of light years away, lies the star that birthed this object billions of years ago. A sun that lived, burned, and maybe even died long before ours began to shine. As 3I Atlas makes its closest pass to the Sun on October 30th, 2025, spacecraft across the solar system will be watching closely, recording spectra, measuring dust, capturing data that might never come again, because once it slingshots away, it will drift back into the void between the stars, untouched for eternity. And yet, in that brief encounter, we'll have learned something profound. That the story of our universe isn't confined to one planet, one star, or even one solar system. It's a story written across billions of worlds, scattered through space, waiting for us to find the pieces. Maybe, just maybe, 3I Atlas is one of those pieces, a frozen clue that reminds us how connected everything truly is.